You can hitchhike home.
Do it again.
Why are we going that way? Oh,
Are you two guys going or you just staying here?
Do me, let me do you. Give fish. Yes, another one. No. Do another one. Sandwich. I'm funny, innit?
Don't go that way.
I'm funny, innit? Am I funny, Vincent?
No.
Yeah, you're funny.
Thank you. That's why you're the best.
No, I'm the best.
Yeah, you're cool as well.
I have no idea.
This is a liar.
I'm a fool. I'm not a liar.
No, not you.
He's not a liar.
Mr. Krabs is a liar.
I'd never lie to my kids.
Mr. Krabs.
All he wants is a secret from me.
What do you mean by that?
Yes, sir, don't make it weird, yes, sir. If you're having a good moment.
I'm still
We're having a
recording.
good moment, yes, sir.
I'm still recording.
Come on, Power Ranger guy.
I'm still recording.
I know, they left the leader of the group. Gosh, man. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, how come we left the Power Ranger behind?
I know, the red Power Ranger as well. You know who I am.
Yo, fuck, I didn't leave you, bro.
I didn't leave you, Gogo.
Cheers, lads. I knew I could count on you boys.
You know, you almost look like Clifford the Big Red Dog.
What did you say?
Is he a thing in England?
No.
Clifford? Oh,
Clifford?
No.
Oh, he's a giant red dog.
it's a cartoon with this.
A giant red dog?
The dog's like the size of a house.
Nah, no clue.
Actually, Clifford.
Nah, I don't think that's a UK thing.
Actually, I think Clifford might be bigger than you.
Bro, where do we even go? Easiest way down is through the hole, because there's a foot. Oh. And then you crawl in the middle. Oh,
Whenever I do this,
I want to get
I should
the
do more flexibility exercises.
I keep thinking next year I'll be in better shape. No, it never happens. I just get another year older.
Yeah.
He's the brown.
Why is he brown?
You said that. You told us that.
Yes, sir, you're the brown Power Ranger.
Yes, sir.
I like the one that one of these coveralls you had has reflective stripes on it.
Yeah.
So when the girl was coming, it was just dark. You couldn't see anything except for the safety stripes on the
Yeah, but he's the
coveralls.
coolest one.
The what?
So I bought another pair this year, so when we're done, you'll get it. You'll
Yeah,
get
oh.
this too. Just like last year.
Thank you.
I got the same size, same one.
The white one, 'cause he's awesome.
Yeah, they work out nice.
The white one or
The
the
dark green one is black.
I think
the green one's sick.
I've
Yeah.
torn up this year so far 3 or 4 pairs.
I can.
Like totally destroyed.
Well, these rocks are not,
Yeah,
I'm detouring.
they tear things up and the coveralls aren't there.
You can beat
They don't last.
If you hurt yourself, then
Too long.
How about the ones that you wear? Do you buy special?
Yeah. But the Petzl doesn't make these anymore. I tried to get more. I got a couple of pairs and they don't make them anymore and these are like falling apart. But
Going to go the same way I did.
I know somebody that makes them custom.
Oh.
So, but that's expensive. It's like $300.
Yeah, we just slid up the whole thing.
Yeah,
That's what the Power Rangers do. We don't take no mainstream.
yeah, bro, we tug it out.
We fuck it out like
Oh,
absolute boys.
this is the thing we slide down, right?
Yeah.
That's why.
Yeah, I had pillows on my. Bro, not this again.
Yeah, that again.
What is that?
There's only one entrance to the cave, bro.
What do you mean?
Yeah.
You're a Power Ranger. You're not scared.
Yeah, I'm not scared of
Oh, my head.
All the Power Ranger
It's
guys.
okay, Jordan, just tug it out, bro.
Fuck it out. You're right.
Look it up. I think fuck it up.
GoPro.
Nah. Yo, I'm on GoPro. I literally didn't know.
You know what?
I was doing it. You're getting old.
Bro, you're only 21, you're so young.
Exactly. You're a baby.
I got grandkids older than you. What are you talking
You were
about?
born yesterday.
Yo,
That is a gay position.
dude, hold my, I'm gonna 4 minutes.
All of us on my phone.
And now,
Hey, shoot him off.
yo, I'm my
Have
Leave
see
the
that
shoe
there's a
behind.
No, he's falling.
Just leave the shoe. It's too late.
He's falling.
Let him fall.
Freak the shoe.
wrap or
Let him
whatever.
fall.
Survival of the fittest.
On TikTok, this guy did it.
You're gonna make it.
He's getting old is the name.
Oh,
I'm getting
thank
old.
God.
My knees are creaking. My hairline's receding.
Hold
It's funny.
up. This is mad.
Go over to that white stuff.
Oh.
Watch the GoPro link.
Oh my goodness.
Why does it take so long for these kids to get through this opening?
Hmm?
This opening,
They'll
is this
spot
a,
me.
why does it take them so long?
I don't know.
You ever go feet first here?
No,
What is this sliminess?
no, I just. What's the what?
The slime.
Yeah.
Oh, that's the stalactites.
Ugh. Oh, heck no. Yo.
You don't know who.
Ankle feet just dug it up, bro.
I'm up.
Come on, Yasser.
I think you guys got to start a yoga class at the camp.
He's going. Yeah, that's not even the worst shot of everything. That's not a bad shot.
Get them limber. We're trying to get out.
We have a rope climbing,
Yeah.
like a rock wall.
Yeah?
And the girls are usually generally better than the boys.
Oh,
because
yeah.
they're more flexible.
Yeah. I find that too. When I take Girl Scouts here, like they breeze through everything.
Damn! Help the Power Ranger! Help me!
I got you, Buggin.
They're dragging me back. Save the leader, man.
The cave monster got you.
I got you, bro.
Grab my hand. Oh my god.
Look how he slides all the way down.
No, it's not working.
Because I don't want it to go. I turned it off.
Lincoln, you just left me, bro.
I was standing right there. He
Nah,
blocked the
forget
whole
that. You're civilian now. You ain't no Power Ranger.
thing.
Got demoted.
You're out.
He
You're out of the
blocked
team.
the whole thing.
You're out of the team.
You're not even a Power Ranger.
Yeah, see, you're not blue.
You're not even a Power Ranger.
Lost his position and his pension.
Yeah, you're not even a Power Ranger. Go, yeah. Is it blinking?
You can open up the door and go out. Yo,
You can open up the door and go out.
You can open the door and go out.
Open the door and go out.
yeah, you go. I can stand around. I don't want to take a picture of your dirty.
I don't want to take a picture. Get back in and take a picture.
Can you help me get the GoPro out?
Yeah.
I want to look.
When we get out there.
Yeah, I want to see what it.
Huh?
I want to see what it. Oh,
I can't see it now.
oh man.
I'll put it up. It'll go up on YouTube.
There's gloves over there.
Huh?
There's a pair of
I
gloves.
found a glove. I
Oh,
gave it
there's
to
one
Mr.
more
Mike.
glove over there.
Where? I wonder if it's one of my old ones. Yeah, it looks. I can't tell. No, that's not one of mine. I'm not gonna worry about it.
I never realized
Oh yeah. Turn your lights off.
You was here. Where's the idiot?
Yeah, wait, is this still on?
why was everyone flip up? Okay.
Right here. I was right here.
Move!
Who had Teddy in the picture?
You had Teddy in the picture.
Who had Teddy?
Who's got Teddy?
We'll take him.
I know I was in hospital.
Too late. You took too long. You got it.
messing up the photo now,
Huh?
Giving you Teddy.
Right. Okay, let's punch in a little bit there so I can get everybody in this.
Go in.
All right, thank you.
Are you going to just like send those photos to like? You're pushing me.
I'm gonna put stuff up on YouTube and Facebook. And every once in a while, I'll take a little clip of something and put it on like Instagram or TikTok. So, you'll be able to see them. They'll be labeled. They'll have a
There's a bug on your. I think there's a bug on your face.
bags. Yeah. I can actually just throw them in the trunk of the car. Okay, we'll just put it behind the car. I'll put them in.
Huh?
Oh my!
That was really fun.
Good. I'm glad you liked it.
Thank you.
You're welcome. You like being the photographer? You turn it off?
Yeah, I turned it off. Can I hold it?
Yeah. Unfortunately,
That's what was on my head the whole time?
yeah.
Yo.
It doesn't have a screen to it, so I gotta wait till I get home to download them.
comment, like, and share. It helps others find this video.